Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to STEAM Education. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good, you all are doing well, and you all are enjoying learning. So dear students, I'm again here with a new letter. Our letter कौन सा है? वो letter है letter G. And do you know what is the sound of letter G? The sound of letter G is G. G. Like girl. Like grapes. So students, अब आप भी अपने इर्द गिर्द देखिए और सोचिए ऐसे कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है जो लेटर जी यानी ग साउंड से स्टार्ट होता है. अपने टीचर और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ इसको डिस्कस करें. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ ओपन योर बुक. Hello, meet the letter G. This is how the capital letter G looks like. And this is how the small letter G looks like. And it sounds G. G. G for grapes and G for goat. G, G. Now look at the picture and you can find so many things which start from letter G, like girl, glass, grapes, goat. Instructions for the teachers. Now dear teachers, keep the students engaged in different STEAM activities. For the science portion, observe the grapes given in the picture and discuss with your friend. For technology portion, show them the video of letter G and ask them the sound of letter G. For engineering portion, ask them to make a glass with chart paper. For arts portion, ask them to color the object on next page which start from letter G. And for the math portion, ask them to count the object near them which start from letter G. Students, move on to the next page, hands on. Match the letter G with its correct picture. अब आपके सामने letter G है और उसके साथ है new object. अब आप देखिए कि कौन सा object letter G से start होता है, उसके साथ आप इसको match कर दें. The next is color the object with initial sound G. अब आपके सामने दोबारा से दो object हैं. अब आप सोचिए इनमें से कौन सा object है जो letter G से start होता है. You have to color that object. The next is fill color with a crayon according to the instruction. Now this is the formation of letter G. You have to trace the letter G with the crayon. How we write the capital letter G? Pull back, go around, move across. This is how we write capital letter G. And for the small letter G, pull back, go around, move up, come down, make a tail. Trace and write with a pencil. So dear students, अब आपने क्या करना है? Capital G and small g को trace करना है with the help of pencil और उसके बाद खुद से लिखने की try करनी है. So students, I hope अब आपको letter G की identification हो चुकी होगी. अब आप letter G को लिख सकते हैं, उसका sound बता सकते हैं, अपने इर्द गिर्द देख सकते हैं कि कौन सा word letter G से start होता है. अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा. मिलते हैं next video में with new letter. अल्लाह हाफिज़.